Welcome back. We've spent time covering the different ways Python handles numbers. Now, we are moving on to the simplest, yet arguably the most powerful data type in all of programming, the Boolean type. A Boolean value, or bool type in Python, represents one of only two possible states, true or false. These values are the foundation of decision-making and flow control in every computer program. In Python, these two values must start with a capital letter, true and false. Remember, if you type true with a lowercase t, Python will treat it as an undefined variable, not a Boolean value. You rarely create a Boolean value directly like we just did. Instead, they are generated automatically when you use relational operators, which are operators that compare two values. Let's see some examples of how these comparisons work. Every time you use a relational operator, Python evaluates the statement and returns a Boolean, either true or false. 3. The power of Booleans, flow control. The real power of Booleans comes when we use them to control the flow of our program. This is done primarily with the if statement we introduced earlier. Because the comparison user age is greater than or equal to 18 evaluates to false, the code executes the else block. Booleans are the literal gatekeepers of your code. To summarize, the Boolean type is the simplest but most essential data type, representing the two possible logical states. It is created using comparison operators and is used to drive every decision in your program. In our next lecture, 3.5, Type Conversion Functions, we will learn how to manually change data from one type to another, like converting a number into text, or vice versa. See you then.